viewers, are you enjoying the content on the channel? Well, if yes, hit the bell icon and subscribe to Academically, your go-to resource for expert guidance, exam prep, and the success stories from IMGs making their mark worldwide. So, you have heard about the NZEX exam and the dream of working as a doctor in New Zealand. Serenic landscapes, amazing work-life balance, and a six-figure salary. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the real question. How much does it actually cost to get there, and is the payoff worth it? Because let's be honest, NZEX isn't just your starting point. By the time you qualify to take it, you have already invested a lot in other licensing exams, language tests, coachings, and much more. That simple career move does not look so simple anymore. Let's break it down, starting with the costs. Now, to sit the NZEX clinical exam, here's what you need to pay. Application fee 817 New Zealand dollars. Examination fee 4,730 New Zealand dollars, which totals to 5,531 NZD. But that's not where the spending stops. Even qualify for NZEX, you need to have a cleared one of these. AMC Part 1 Australia around 2,920 Australian dollars. USMLE Step 1, Step 2 USA around 2,000 plus USDs, Lab UK around 255 pounds, English proficiency test IELTS or OET around 400 New Zealand dollars. And let's not forget study materials, coaching classes, travel, accommodation, visa, it all adds up. So realistically, you could be spending anywhere from 8,000 to 15,000 New Zealand dollars or even more depending on your individual pathway. Here's the part that might excite you, although. The average salary of a registered doctor in New Zealand, a solid 120,000 New Zealand dollars per year. Even as an entry-level doctor, you're likely to earn back your entire investment within the first few months of work. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if you are in it for the long game. NZEX is a one-time investment that can open doors to a respected medical career, high-quality healthcare infrastructure, a lifestyle that supports your well-being, and a long-term career growth. It may not be a shortcut, but it's a smart, strategic step if New Zealand is your dream destination. And if you are thinking of making your way to New Zealand, start your preparation today with Academically's NZEX Clinical Preparation course. In this course, you will get A to Z assistance from start to finish. So what more do you need? Let's make that dream a reality. And hey, if you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear from this too. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, happy studies, and bye-bye.